how to organize files or content in TikTok Lite. If you want to organize files or content within the TikTok Lite application, there are multiple ways to do so. The first is to simply add or save a video that you wish. So if you like a certain video and you want to save it, you want to tap the share icon from the bottom right of the screen, and you'll find various options over here, and you can see add to favorites option. So over here you can tap on this option called add to favorites to add this to your favorites. To find your favorites, you can always come to the me tab from the bottom right, and here you'll find all of the videos that you have saved. In this case, not only videos but also sounds, effects, or even hashtags. Second way we can organize is by simply reposting a certain video. Again, tap the share button, this time tap on repost, and all of the reposted videos will also be shown towards this infinity loop or the repost icon over here. And that's all it takes for us to organize files or content in TikTok Lite, and there are also multiple other ways for us to do so. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.